They make Hijrah of the heart. So we turn away from anything that is dijalik, anything that is artificial, that is lie, that is deception, and we turn toward the truth. We want to go from the inauthentic to the authentic, from the lie to the truth, from the unreal to the real. So we do this. It's not just something that we say, it's something that we act upon. So we look through our medicine cabinets. We are, as Muslimin, the first thing we're commanded to do is read Iqra. This is not just commanded to the historic prophet, peace be upon him, but is a command to you who contains the prophetic reality within your sacred soil. You who is a direct descendant of a prophet, of Prophet Adam alayhi salam. You are commanded to read all of the outer reality and the inner reality. This is a command. So, read the labels in everything within your medicine cabinet. If there's a possibility that it might cause cancers, you are disallowed from that. We are only to eat and drink and absorb through our skin, through our mouths, through our eyes, through our sense doors, things which are natural, organic, which are as pure and garden-like as possible, which are ethically derived, ethical inputs, as well as ethical outputs.